Hey guys, so today I've got the by Wishtrend Mandelic Acid Solution Skin Prep Water, which is really kind of like a toner with a little bit of acid. Mandelic acid can be very good for skin and beneficial. And this one's full of good things. It really has no fragrance or denatured alcohol, which a lot of other toners do. So this is kind of becoming a trend, exfoliating toners, which I really like because after cleansing, it's really good to tone your skin with a toner, and a lot of them recently had just a ton of alcohol in them or a ton of fragrance in them, and now I'm just starting to see good toners, which in this case, you can knock out 2 steps with one after cleansing. Apply this to a cotton pad or a cloth or whatever you would use, and then smooth it over your entire face, and then don't rinse it off. Once it fully absorbs, give it a second, and then you can move on to your serum part in your routine. So really, if you use something like this, it's a toner as well as a good exfoliant. If you're used to higher exfoliants or stronger exfoliants, you can definitely use this, and then later on in your routine, use your exfoliant. But just be careful with it, though, because you can overdo it. So I don't use this every day, but I use this occasionally when I feel like my skin just needs a boost of extra exfoliation. That's kind of where this comes in. But there's been a lot of other ones that I've reviewed as well. The Peach and Lily Good Acids Pore Toner, very similar concept. You're toning and exfoliating at the same time. Therefore, you don't necessarily need to have a separate exfoliant or a separate exfoliating mask in your routine. So this is a good one. Really like this one. Murad came out with their Resurgent Multi-Acid Peel. I absolutely love this product. This is also a similar concept, but a little bit stronger than the Mandelic acid. And then, of course, CosRx has several different options. They've got a lot of different ones. So just depends on what you're looking for, what type of acid. Certain acids are better at doing other things. Alpha hydroxy acids kind of go down to the surface, but beta hydroxy acids really do a good job of getting into the pores and things like that. So I thought I would do a quick pH test for you guys, because I know you guys are loving those. So let me do that quick just to let you guys know the info on that. I'm just going to do this a little bit over the sink. And I will give it a second to set. And it looks like it's going to be right probably just under 4. So I'd say probably 3.7 pH. So there you go for that. Yeah, about 3.7. So anyway, really liking this. I love that it's affordable. It's a nice way to maybe hit 2 birds with 1 stone and skip a step, or just give your skin an extra boost of exfoliation when you need it. So toning is very important. It also does a good job after cleansing, just to remove any extra residue, foundation, sunscreen that may have been left over from the cleansing process. So I always, when people ask me for advice on how to treat acne, I always say, do you tone? Do you use a toner? And if they say yes, well, are you using one with alcohol in it? Because that's probably going to make things worse. And if they're not using one, then suggesting them a good one that can help, because I think sometimes a lot of cleansers can leave some residue, and that can get in the pores and cause issues. So really good to add into your routine. So anyway, I love the By Wishtrend brand. They've got a lot of good stuff coming out recently, so I'm always checking out. They've always got good kits too. So if you're ever thinking about trying anything else out from this brand or by Claire's, go to their page, because they've got a lot of kits where you can get 3 or 4 products for probably the price of 1 or 2. So that's just worth checking out. So anyway, those are some of my thoughts on this product. So I'm interested if you guys have had a chance to try this. And if you haven't, do you use a toner? And if so, what your favorite toner is? Or if you've used an exfoliating toner, which one is it and how did you like it? So anyway, those are kind of my thoughts for today. Happy day, guys. I will see you more tomorrow. Thank you guys so much.